Welcome viewers to this channel of spirituality, health and wellness. I'm very happy to invite you, all of you, again to this session of mine. Today I'm going to concentrate on a very special aspect about breathing techniques, because I see many people are suffering for oxygen. Once upon a time people were used to fool when there was people used to put cartoons about cylinder and things like that. But today it has become into a reality. Today people are striving for oxygen. See, I'm living in a very beautiful place with a lot of greenery. Such a beautiful, where people are getting this. It's heaven on earth. But I'll tell you one thing. There are various types of breathing where you can increase your lung capacity. I think many people have released a lot of videos about breathing techniques into very advanced stage of breathing where normal people are not able to do it. I just want to address this to normal people, people who are in different fields of work, where they can watch this and do it by themselves. First of all, if there is a nasal congestion, what are you going to do? If there is a nasal block, what are you going to do? Simple thing. In Varma we have the simple phenomena. You have to hold this here, and then you have to lift this nose just above. I'll just show it in the sideways. You have to hold it here gently. You have to do it. You should not do it like don't do it in a very fast way. Gently you have to keep it here for 15 seconds. You can keep it. Then later you can just pull this down for 15 seconds. This is natural. If there is a running water in your nose, you just keep these two fingers like this one and press here and here. You have to press it like this one, and so the water which is running will stop. And still you can do it by way of steaming and other things. But if you want, when you're going in a very some important places where there is a running nose, you just press this one. This is called Minvati column in Varma. I'm not going to tell you all these points name because it's not necessary for you. Just remember these points, it's okay. We are not going to study Varma. So you just press this and leave it. This one and these two are important points for any nasal congestion. And here on the right side, we call Valamurti column here. Here there is a point. See, if you go down this one, there is a bone here. Just below the bone there is a point where if you touch, it will be paining little bit. Other places will not pain, but here you have to put your thumb inside this one and hold it and lift it up. Any nasal blocks also will be relieved. Another one is you have to insert your thumb inside your ears and take the middle finger, hold this bone, take this left hand and pull your ear up. See, pull your ear up like this one, and you do breathing. Any nasal congestion here will be relieved. Same thing, you take this finger, put it inside your ear and the bone here. See, there is a bone here. And then you put your right hand here and lift this. You have to lift it, not like this one. Don't do like this one. Just lift it up, up, and then do breathing. Any nasal congestion here will be relieved. Night time, if it happens that your nose are blocked, please do this one. Don't go for it. You can put some axe oil or gold medal oil and sleep upside down. So within 10 minutes, everything will come out. Or there is chickeny powder also. You can get a Unani medicine, the small chickeny powder. Just put it in your nose. It will give you sneezing some 30 times, and any nasal congestion or any corona things will come out immediately. Believe me, it is going to happen. You can do it. Don't go to these places and get unnecessary, get stuck up. Please do these things and get yourself prevented from any sort of nasal congestion or oxygen breathing difficulty. I want to teach you about 2-3 kinds of important breathing where it relieves you from immediate block of what you call oxygen or something. First thing you can do is Bhastrika breathing. Please practice. Even if you are normal, please do it every day. It is very important. Bhastrika breathing, there are different. I'll just show you by action. You can do it in various methods also, but this is a very popular method. You can hold your fingers like this one, keep it up, and then you have to do like this one. You have to breathe inside and leave it through your nostrils. Like pump, no? You have to pump it so it goes out. Or you can do simply like this. Or some people also do like this way. My cap is coming down, but I'll show you in a very nice way. Like this you can do it maybe 20 times. Any nasal congestion will come out of your what you call from your nose. Second important type of breathing I want to highlight to you today is about an irritation here which also can be taken out very easily. Lot of people in pranayama will teach you all this. This is very simple for ordinary people. I just want to teach you. I don't want to go into very depth of breathing exercise. Okay, so this one I just want to show you. Just watch me here. You breathe through your nostrils, and when you leave it out through your mouth, and make the tongue come out. Make your tongue come out, and then do the breathing. How you have to do it? You have to do it like this one. First you have to breathe up, and then you have to do this. Breathe inside. Your stomach should go inside. When you do this breathing, your stomach should go inside. Please, my dear viewers, don't do in your common room where all are present. Go outside, go to your bathrooms, or go on the terrace, go to a secluded place and do this. Any congestion here, do it 20 times. Any congestion here will go away immediately. Any congestion inside your nostril, behind your nostril, you do the first one, Bhatrika, what I taught you. Another important one is to increase your lung capacity. You can do different type of breathing. One is you take 10 counts inside, keep 10 counts inside your lungs, and then leave 20 counts outside. Very simple way, I'll just teach you. Now 10 counts inside. Your stomach should go inside. 20 counts you have to leave inside. When you're breathing, your stomach should increase. When you leave it out, when you exhale, your stomach should go inside. Very simple method. You do this for say 10 times. If you are a beginner, you can do 5 times. Then you can increase for 10 times. Then later you can go for maybe 15 to 20 times. It will really increase your lung capacity and a lot of oxygen you'll get. So don't you have any breathing difficulty, just go down and just be like this one. If you are not able to touch also, no problem, you can rely like this one. You just rest here and do breathing. This is one of the best method for breathing. Every sportsman will do this one, and this will really increase the oxygen capacity in you. You can also do like this one in a hotel where sportsmen after running they will hold like this one. This is also one type of breathing where once you do bending, the lung capacity will also increase. I want to teach you, last one is about Kapalabhati, little advanced stage, but still I'll make it into very short ones. And I'll do this one for you. So you just listen to me and do this one. Kapalabhati is for the Kapha, and it will increase your oxygen level in your body. How you have to do it is, I will teach you this one. Just this is sun and this is moon breathing on my left, and this is my right. So you breathe inside through the nostrils. Keep the air inside. Lock your chin lock, navel lock, and anal lock. You have to do 3 locks so that the air remains inside the body and produces enough and more oxygen for internal organs as well as for your brains. And then when you leave it out, you can leave it through the sun. You can leave it through the sun or moon, or you can leave it on both the sides. Slowly and steadily you have to leave it on. I'll just do one for you in a very simple way. I'm not going to do like a very professional for professional people. For ordinary people, I'm going to do this one. Just watch me. First exhale. Again, I'll do for you once again. This is one circle. Again, I'll repeat one more circle for you. Same exercise. I do slowly this breathing because it will be very helpful for all my viewers. And thank you very much. If you have any doubt, or you can just mention me in the comment below in this YouTube. Thank you very much, and God bless you.